Merry Christmas!
Hindi. Ayun nga, so far maganda yung tinatakbo nyo this conference. Pero, are there other things na parang grateful ka ngayong taon or?
Well, grateful every time, no? Every time na healthy ako going to the conference, sa honor and blessings, no? Na ngayong taon talaga maging healthy lang palagi throughout my career. So, yun pa lang blessing na sa akin.
Anong Christmas wish mo ngayong paparating na Pasko?
Christmas wish ko, healthy lang palagi, especially yung family ko, no? Sana maganda yung season din namin.
Pagdating sa personal career mo, championships, MVPs, ano pang
Darating na lang yun. Kung meron man, the most important thing right now is to get momentum ngayong conference and maging ready sa playoffs. No? Yun yung binibuild up namin, especially with the new guys like Roy. No? Sana hopefully, pagdating ng playoffs, maganda na yung mas smooth yung system namin. Kasi paksiw ito eh.